Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. Today, I'm going to show you this beautiful glow up that we are going to do, and it's a get ready with me. Firstly, I'm using the new Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, and let me tell you, this one looks absolutely spectacular. Look at how it creates a blurring effect on my skin. I have a little bit of unevenness, which you can see, and this works absolutely fine for me. I'm going to use the shade Test Leeches 320G by Huda Beauty. This is the Easy Blur foundation. It is also comparatively new, recently released, and look at what a fabulous finish it gives me. It's not at all drying this time, which is what I really appreciate about the brand picking up from people, like from their audience, that the earlier formulas of their foundations were very dry. This one's hydrating, and look at the difference it creates between both my sides. I've just done half my face. Now I'm using the new setting powder by Huda itself, and this is in the shade Banana Bread, and it looks absolutely, it's so fine. It sits like perfectly on skin, and I think it works great for Indian skin, especially like our medium Indian skin tones. It works fabulous, and look at how it mattifies my skin, and this is what we need for summers, so that there is less of sweat and more of like sweat control is what is required. And this works so beautifully, and you can see the difference in both sides, literally. And I think you would agree that Huda has done some amazing job with her products. Next, I'm using the Chanel foundation. This is the Lavish collection, the water collection basically, and this one's so hydrating. Look at that beautiful pink pigment. Now I'm using the MAC eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Every Day is Sunshine. This is the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid, and it looks so good on me. I think this is like that one solution product that everybody needs. And then I'm using the Bobbi Brown Kohl in black shade. This is a basic black kajal. You can apply any if you have the one which stays. This one just works fine for me, and I've just stretched out the outer corner so that my eyes look more like almond shaped, and I think I've defined it perfectly. I'm just going to line the inner waterline as well, and I'm stretching it with my nail to create that little reverse wing effect. Looks so good, and it pops out my eyeball and socket just fine. Defining it further with a light brown eyeshadow. This will make my kajal smudge proof because I'm locking the pigmented area with a powder formula, so it should work great. And now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills famous pencil to create like, you know, the eyebrow effect. This is the eyebrow pencil in, I think, the shade Chestnut, and look at how it defines. I'm using a tad bit of it, not much. And now we are going to quickly shift to the lips to give you that pouty seductive hot lip. And I'm using this pencil by Nykaa Cosmetics. It's in the shade 02 Pillow Fight, and I'm just using it to lightly line my lip because I'm going to reline it, and I love doing a double lip. It looks absolutely hot and very pouty. So now we are going to repeat the same step, but in this case we're just going to do the corners and the front pout, like the cupid's bow basically. This is a darker brown, this is rich brown basically in Huda Beauty Contour 2.0 lipsticks and lip pencils basically. And look at how it defines my lip very subtly. I'm just using it very lightly just to create a little bit of shadow effect. Now I'm using the lip plumper by Huda Beauty. This is the shade Glassy, I think, and it looks so luscious. I mean, look at that. My makeup look is complete, and I think I look fab with this subtle Indian skin tone. Look at it with all the lighting and everything. It looks so gorgeous. What do you guys think of this look? Do you like it? Do you like my outfit? And if you do, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I've done a get ready with me after ages, and I thought of sharing it with my YouTube fam this time. I can't wait to do more videos for you guys. Mwah. Bye.